Hello, 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 Sagittarius. How are you guys? I hope everyone is doing good. You already know it's Lee, and it's time for your tarot tea, baby. It's time for your tarot tea. Today we're going into your love life, Sag. We're going into your love life. We are going to pull some lovers' oracles, some romance angels. Might get into the hidden truths, right? And make it do what it do, Sag. For those of you who have watched my videos, 2 months and 9 days ago, I lost my other half. It's not getting any easier. Not even mentioning it. He was a Sag. So I'm going to try to get through this reading. If I see that I get too heavy, and it's a personal heavy, I will stop. My apologies. I miss him. And so it's hard and it's heavy. Picking up your life when your person's not around, right? And you gotta figure it out, right? Everything still keeps coming, and then you gotta figure it out. And whatever baggage was left behind, you gotta fix it, and you gotta pick up the pieces, and you gotta tie up all the loose ends. And it hasn't been easy. So we're gonna woosah, right? My bad, Sag. I was procrastinating to do this reading because I didn't want to bring this to y'all, but y'all part of his tribe, right? So it is what it is. Yep. So we are going to inhale the good shit and exhale the bullshit, right? God has blessed me with another day. And so I'm here, babies, showing up for you guys. And opening up to spirit, to the universe, to my ancestors, to my angel guides, so that they can channel through me the messages needed to be sent out to you guys. Remember, you have free will. Remember that no matter what your choices, your actions, your free will, what you decide to do with your life, whether it's good, whether it's bad, whatever it is, can, and will change the outcome of your destiny. Okay? So let's get it crack-a-lackin', babies. Let's get it crack-a-lackin'. It's tea time, babies. It's tea time. Spirit, you are welcome into the room. Angel guides, ancestors, please help me to send out the messages the Sagittarius needs to know. Clear, concise, honest, truthful messages. Picking up the energy of my subscribers that are Sagittariuses. A little beam of light, a little inspiration into their lives to help, to guide, you know, a little illumination, baby. A little illumination to help us get to the other side, right? So here we go. We're starting with your lover's oracles. For Sagittarius, spirit, guidance for Sagittarius. The overall energy needed. We got 3. You know I take them. I'm going to take the 3, the power of 3 for the Sag. Let's see what they're saying. And it's not 3, it's 4. Snuck one in there. Since I said I'm going to take them, I am going to take them. We're going to get through this, Sag. We're going to get through this together, okay? Lord, give me strength. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure if I will be able to do this. Don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. Embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. And look inside yourself, examining what is causing you to feel this way. I appreciate y'all support. These readings help me to help y'all, and it gives me life. It gives me light. I'm sorry that I brought these emotions into you guys reading. Spirit is telling me to keep going. This is one of the hardest things I ever had to go through in my life. As a matter of fact, I felt this way before when my grandma passed. And call it what you may, but she too was a Sagittarius. Yep. So two of the most important people that have crossed my path in my life, that have been major parts of my life, have been Sagittariuses. Um, a lot of, actually, now that I think about it, many of the closest people to me have been Sagittariuses. Although I'm heavy, you know, I love you guys. Y'all fun. Y'all bring life. Y'all, um, um, the ones I've had, been blessed to have in my life, brought me a lot of life. And so it's real empty right now. Yes. Emotionally and in a lot of ways. A lot of ways, you guys. A lot of ways. We're moving on, Spirit. It's getting lighter. I was waiting for the release. I'm not trying to drag y'all along. I was just waiting for the release. I knew Spirit would give me strength. Thank you. And yeah. So you have soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So the divine is saying have faith. What you pray for, what you long for, what you what you imagine can come true. The person. I mean, you may not be able to put a face to that person right now, right? Right, as like, you know, you may not be able to put a face to that person, Sag, but the person that you're thinking of has a face. That face will unveil to you, baby. It said, don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. Yes. It's of like the utmost importance to be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself. If you love someone emotionally, can't seem to get away from this person, follow your heart. Follow your heart, because your heart is not going to lead you astray. Life is not easy. Temptation is a motherfucker. Okay? No disrespect, but Sagittarius is always looking for something It's like they're always on the go. Like if they accomplish this, they straight bypass that and they just, right? They see shiny things and they run. And then it's not shiny. And then they're like, oh shit. And then they figure it out and they fix it. Hopefully, for some of you. Right? But it says, Sag. It says through each other. For some of you, you looking, and you're like, what the fuck? Right? I'm going with the cars now. I'm off of me. I'm not in here anymore, guys. Spirit has released the energy. I'm on y'all type time. All right? We on y'all type time. So let's not, get one thing confused with the other. I knew, or I felt like it was going to be difficult for me to go in on Sagittarius because I haven't done this since before his passing. And so that's why it hit me like that. But I asked the Lord to give me strength. And so he did. And so now, we on your type time, baby. We on your energy, baby. So for those of you that this does not resonate with, leave it behind, baby. Don't apply pressure. If it does resonate with you, we're going to hit like, we're going to subscribe, send me a comment. If you want to be a little more private and you want to email me, you can do that too. All my information is in there. And yes. Sag. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. So maybe, just maybe, right? Maybe you're looking for, oh, that didn't work, or that's not for me, or your mind is dragging your heart instead of your heart following and bringing your brain with you, right? It says look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay? Search. Y'all search. And I'm not specifically saying other people. I'm saying y'all search. Like y'all have a job. It's a good job. But y'all still looking for another job. And you know what I'm saying? And or you have a home. The home is fine. Things are good. You may have to fix a wall or a door. Nothing major. But no. You want another one. The problem with that is that we don't put the time and energy into what is now, right? Into the present moment. And so the house, right, that needs a door or a wall stays without a door or a wall because you're trying to find another house instead of fixing what it is, right? Depending on what cycle you are in your life, though, I'm going to tell you this. I spend a lot of time around Sagittarius. So, depending on what cycle you are in your life, depending if this is something that you get to know about yourself, right? Wait, I didn't completely put my energy into this project or this person or this, whatever universe has provided me with. Doesn't have to be shiny, brand new out the store. It doesn't make it any better. Maybe if you put a little work into it, this thing that you lost interest because it's not perfect anymore. If Maybe your car don't need to be sold because the sun, your hood is worn from the sun. You know how the sun, it wears off the color from your hood. So now you don't want to drive that no more because it's not legit. It's not perfect, right? And you're looking for something else. But your car hasn't left you. Your car is great. Nothing wrong with your car. Ain't nothing wrong with your car except the fact that the sun, it got wear and tear. It got wear and tear. That is, yes, Lord. Yes. Thank you, Spirit. It has wear and tear. Right? Because after time, things change, they wear down or whatever. Right? Guess what? You find another car. Right? You find another car. And the body's beautiful. Right? The body's beautiful. The color is awesome. It's shiny. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, I can be seen in this because on the outside, it looks good. Guess what? The new car leaves your ass behind. Now you're on the side. Now you're on the side of the road. Now you need a tow truck. Now you need an engine, or you need whatever you need. For the new one. The shiny one that you ran. When in reality, it probably would have cost you $200-300 to get your hood coated, painted, whatever it is. I ain't a mechanic, but you know what I mean. So my point is that instead of fixing what's yours, instead of watering your seed and making sure your grass is green, you go try to maneuver that and do something different that doesn't and isn't benefiting you in any kind of way, because God already gave you what is for you. The point is to take care of it. Take care of it, appreciate it, love it, and, paint your hood. Paint your hood, baby. Paint your hood, your own hood. You don't need another one. You don't fix the wall. Fix the wall. Fix the wall. Sheetrock that bitch. Compound it. Paint it. Watch how beautiful it's gonna look. You ain't even gonna remember that there wasn't a wall there. Don't go looking for a whole nother house. It wasn't easy getting the first one you got. You feel me? Because life ain't easy. And good things ain't easy. And they don't come easy. You got to work for it. You got to put in work for it. You have to appreciate. You have to be grateful. You have to take care of. It's not once you get it, okay, well, now I got it, so now it is what it is. No. Stop chasing shiny shit. Make your shit shiny. Okay? You don't need a whole new I don't know. You don't need all brand new sofas. Now you get them clean, or you can Amazon, they sell sofa covers. You can have every kind of color and coordination of kind of sofas that you want on Amazon for 50, 60, maybe $100, other than going to spend thousands of dollars to change your whole living room because, I don't know what, it got a little stain on it that you can probably clean. Come on, Sag. We can do better, baby. We can do better. Let's take care of our shit. Take care of your shit. My moon is in Sag. My rising is in Aries. And my sign is Pisces. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. I told you. This person is already in your life. This person, your soulmate, is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So this is probably somebody that you know that you're not putting no attention to because they not shiny. Or they not this or they not that or whatever. I ain't even going to say it, but I won't be surprised. And if it come out, I'm going to have a whole... Y'all going to know that's the card I'm talking about. There's a card in here that says some shit about it's somebody you don't expect or something. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Positive. Look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay? Maybe it's something you're thinking. Something you're not seeing. Something that maybe it's you. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Yep. Don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. Embrace through each other. You find the missing pieces. Personally, I feel everything needs to have a partner, a mate, your person. Even my pets. If I buy fishes, they have to come 2 fishes. And 2 birds, 2 dogs. As of right now, it's just me. My dog's mate was with my mate. And so, yeah, but yes, through each other. You feel empty, you feel like something's missing, you chasing shiny shit. And it's not shiny shit. You're missing pieces is in your person. It's not materialistic. It's not materialistic at all. Nope. Spirit, can we get clear messages for Sagittarius? My subscribers, Sagittarius is. This can, if you're a cross watcher, it can be you, it can be them. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Divine timing. So for some of you, this person, I don't think you with this person, but I think that this person is around your life, somebody you know. It's somebody you know. By somebody you know, it could be anybody. These all fell that way. I'll leave them and I'll take these over here. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this. And they will manifest physically. Yes. Yes. Very soon. Clearly decide. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Yes. Life is short for some people. Sometimes you don't get a chance. So make the effort. Make the effort. Look within. See what part you play in this situation. Um, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's a person. What you're missing in your life, it's not a thing. It's a person. That's way too many. It's a person, and it's your person. It's your soulmate. It's your person, and you've already met this person. It says this could be the one. You already met the romantic partner you seek. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Yes, worth with. Oh Lord. If it falls like that one more time, we're moving on. Because that was like half of the deck and both times. Yes. Spirit, can we get some clear messages for Sagittarius? Energy over. Here we go. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Addictions. Addictions could be many things. Many things. I kept getting materialistic. So just know that whatever you're missing is not materialistic. Okay? It's not materialistic. Addictions can be drug addictions, alcohol addictions, sexual addictions, material addictions, addictions. Anything that you're doing too much. Anything that you do too much of. Anything that you feel the need, that you need to do that, and you really don't need to do that. Right? It could be harming you physically, mentally, emotionally, financially. Those things are addictions. Anything that you do too much of. The energy for my Sagittarius is spirit, ancestors, angel guides. Can we get the energy for the Sag in love? In their romance life, babe. The Sag, make the effort very soon. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Clearly decide. Soulmate, again. Damn, it started and ended. It is safe for you to love. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I hope you realize who this is, Sag, because this person is your person. I don't know your life. You know your life, but whoever this is your person. The person that got your back, even though they don't have to. The person that makes the effort, even though they don't have to. The person that will sit with you through whatever. Talk to you about whatever. They won't go away. The person that offers you, even though you say no. The person that admires you and will kiss your hand. That is so cute. I love the way that went. Yeah. And this person may be somebody you've known for a long time, since young boy days. You probably was very young when you met this person. And this Sag, you by yourself, Mamacita. You by yourself. So it's making me feel like Like, you know something is missing. You don't know what it is. Look, you're looking out there trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Yes. Love conquers all. Love conquers all. Love doesn't have room for jealousy, for envy, for manipulations, for free will brings those things. Not love. And soulmate. Look, first angel, lover's oracle. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. The last card from your romance angels. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Yes. Look. Young. Getting a little older. Adults. So this is probably like a sweetheart, like a puppy love type of situation that probably, you know, went one way and the other one went the other way, and life and growing up and school and, you know, all that. But now y'all adults. Now y'all adults. And so you may want to check that out. See who been around for a long time. Ain't been going nowhere no matter what. Where's me? Okay, we'll do some messages from the mermaids. And then, okay, we gotta round this out. I'm sorry about the beginning of this video. It is what it is. I keep it real, so I'm going to put this video out. For those of you who stuck around, thanks. You know, it's energy, right? It's energy, and sometimes the energy ain't no joke because you have your own stuff to deal with, and you have to release that in order to move forward, right? And you ask for help from the divine, from your spirits, from your ancestors, from the Lord, angels. And they grant you that. Free spirit. Yes, Sagittarius is definitely a free spirit. It's one of your best qualities, to be honest. Don't give that up. Always be a free spirit. Your soulmate will know this about you. You are a mutable sign, so you can adapt and still be a free spirit and not feel burdened and tied down or whatever, you know. Sometimes security and safety, it may look boring, feel boring, you know, but it's important. Awareness. It's okay to be a free spirit, but be aware. Be aware. Look inside yourself and be aware of your actions and people's reactions, or their actions and your reactions, and what feels good and what doesn't. And maybe it just needs a paint job, and you don't need a whole brand new situation. Maybe you need to take time to take care of what is important. Discernment. Free spirit, awareness, and discernment. Yes, yes, yes. Pay attention to your life, what you feel, what you think. Follow your heart. Take your brain with you. Okay, babies. Let's do that. And I'll throw you a rebel. I'm looking for my fortune. Oh, here they go. My fortune cookies. So I can give y'all little fortune cookie babies. For Sagittarius. From the rebel deck. What they may need to know. What they may need to hear. A little insight. A little guidance. Winning, baby. You got a good thing going. Don't ruin that shit. No self-sabotage. Don't self-sabotage. Continue to work on what you've been working on. Continue to, if it needs to be clean, clean it. If it needs to be fixed, fix it. If you need to adjust the time, schedules, financial matters, whatever it is, don't ruin that shit. Fix it. Fix it. Use your energy to create your environment that you want by fixing the things that you already have to work with. The tools you already have to create what you need and what you want. Okay? Because every time you change, you start over. Okay? That's another thing. So yes, it feels fresh for the moment. But that too will get stale if you don't put effort. Sag, you gotta put effort. And you guys are very ooh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Don't believe every shitty thought you have. Thoughts can be sneaky, lying bastards. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Y'all are consistent. Y'all are reliable. Reliable. When y'all are all in, y'all are reliable. Don't chase shiny things. Don't self-sabotage. Okay? You know, the horse will kick you in your fucking face if you stand behind it and it don't know you back there. So don't do that. Because you might fuck shit up. The whole damn thing went over there. This way. So we got one. Fuck. Shit is about to get real. Fuck. You need your people around you. Shit is about to get real. You need your people around you. Okay? Maybe you need some advice. Maybe you need to listen. Be aware. Right? Have discernment. Be grateful. Have consideration. Understand that things happen in life, and that don't mean it's the end of the world. You know, it's dark and you can't see a fucking thing. Get your head out of your ass pronto. Pronto, ASAP. Get your head out of your ass. Look at what is yours. Whatever needs to be done within yourself, within your environment, within your relationship, within your finances, within. No pew running on to the next thing. No. Finish your project. Finish what you started. Put effort into people, places, and things that have already been showing you that they are good for you in your life. Nothing is perfect. Even whatever, you can go buy something brand new. It doesn't mean that it's perfect. It just means that it's new. And then when you use it for a little while and this, that, third, then you start finding flaws and disfigurations, and you know, the button might go off, whatever, shit like that. Just because it's shiny and new, don't make it better. Sometimes we need to fix what it is that you already have. you know, because every time you make that move, is a restart. Or all the energy you put into this. Oh, wait, chew. That energy stops. This energy starts. Okay? And I don't mean like a player, like people. I mean like anything. Like your materialistic things, like with your time, like with your effort, like all that, because you're a free spirit. So you have to be aware of yourself. Don't run yourself crazy. Don't drain yourself. Future. You may travel or host an overseas traveler soon. Either way, great social fun awaits. Okay, so you may be going somewhere, or someone may be coming to visit from somewhere else. But it's going to be fun. You're going to be able to woo-sa, laugh, let your hair down. Yes, honey. Yep. Can we get one more fortune cookie for Sagittarius? Please subscribe, hit like, comment, share. Achievement. Woohoo! Enjoy the limelight. You've earned it, although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. Okay? So through the dark, you will still find some light. You will still be able to achieve something, even though not everything is perfect. Someone's health may be failing. So be careful. This COVID shit is real. Everybody's getting sick. Look out for your peoples, and stay safe. Stay safe, Sag. That was your tea, baby. That was your tea. Use awareness. Use discernment. Through each other, you find the missing pieces, baby. Smooches.